just gonna dive straight into it. Um, First, we're gonna look at Forex Factory if we have any high impact news coming out tonight. I initially took a trade earlier on. It was a losing trade. Uh, at this point, I'm gonna call it a day, but I'm just gonna see how price is. Price action works. Probably people trade a high probability setup, then I'll probably take it. But we'll see how that plays out. So yeah, I had a negative $415. Pretty much squashed my profits for the last 2 days. This is a pretty high lot on gold, so it is what it is. Didn't stick to my plan, but you know what? I'm just gonna move past it. I'm not gonna dwell on it. Yeah. Okay, looking at Forex Factory, we only have retail sales coming out tonight at 11:30. Nothing on GBJPY, so we're most probably gonna have a clean day on GBJPY. Uh, yeah. Okay, looking at GBJPY based on the monthly time frame. This monthly candle is currently bullish, still bullish, even though we made a top wick on the monthly time frame. Dropping down to the weekly time frame. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. The weekly on the other hand, we have a rejection. We've really rejected 157, 157 price level right over here. So not sure if we're going to be falling at this point or not, but we'll see how this week we only have this is the last day of the week, so we'll see how this plays out. Looking at the daily time frame, we're currently in a range on the daily time frame between 157 400 right up over here. We can adjust our zones over there, and this resistance, this support level at 156 350 over here. So we're currently in this range at the moment. Um, Looking at the forward time frame, previous forward candle is bullish, but close right at this minor resistance on the forward time frame at 156 450. So it's gonna zone that out. Everything above here is rejection for time frame, but we most probably just zone is out at 156 450. Current forward candle has 2 minutes 45 minutes until it closes. We're currently bullish at the moment, but we don't really have much volume on for the current forward candle as yet because due to how small it is at the moment. Um, Dropping down to the 1 hour time frame, we can see distance area 156 550 right up over there, 156 550. 550 right up here. So I think it would be safe to wait for price to come up over here and for us to take buys due to the fact that we have let's see, okay, we have resistance up over here. If you drop down to the 30-minute time frame, okay, this is perfect. I think we may potentially have sells or buys based on the 30-minute time frame. We can see that, and we can see and adjust our zones or most recent resistance zone or major resistance zone, which price failed to surpass twice, is 156 570 right over there. So we can adjust those zones accordingly. um, don't think it's safe for us to be taking any trade in this range here coming up here due to the fact that we had quite some rejection level up over here and over here and over here. Um, what I'm going to be waiting for is a candle to close to a bullish close somewhere above this 156 570 area for us to potentially uh, potentially retest this resistance over here 157 150 140 area right above there. But right now this will be our no trade range on GBJPY, so just gonna zone that out. This is our no trade range. Okay, right now this is our no trade range. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, Looking at the 30-minute time frame, you can see that we have nice clean traffic all the way down. This is the, let's see, let me just color this white or gray. Okay. Okay, this gray area over here, which is acting as 9 frames, is also the daily time frame support level. So if we start trading below this area, then we might have potential to most probably come down a little bit. So I think we're gonna focus. I think we're gonna execute this trade on based on the 30-minute time frame, due to the fact that when the 30-minute time frame, if we have to take sales, we have clean uh, traffic coming down over here, and if you had to take this clean traffic coming back all the way up over here to this resistance up there. So let's see how that plays out. Yeah. This is a clear example of always sticking to your buys. Uh, this didn't play out as I anticipated. I was expecting a bullish candle to come to retest the highs. Unfortunately, we don't have that. Boom. Let's cross this out. So what I was expecting over here is for this next candle to push up, doing something like this, and I really should have waited for this scenario to play out. I did a really big mistake by dropping down to the 30-minute time frame and entered on the break of this previous 30-minute candle over here. So this, on the other hand, might be a fake out, but not too sure about this. I've already taken one trade, which was a losing trade, but we'll see how this one plays out. trade in the 30-minute time frame. Just think a clear range would be on a 30-minute time frame, just below this level at 1820 uh 1820 area right over here. This would be a much better place to take a trade if you're gonna hop in for sales. So it's gonna zone that out. um, all this would be a no trade range. Actually, I'm anticipating this might still, it might still have a close to the top, so let me just